Aarti, a devotional tribute to the worthy and divine.
आरती में पैसा क्यों डालते हैं?
Student, why do people offer money in Aarti? Aarti means a ceremonial worship with kindled lamps, incense, etc.
आरती कहते हैं किसी की आरती उतारना.
Baba, Aarti meaning to perform someone's Aarti.
माने उसको विशेष मान सम्मान देना.
It means to pay special honor and reverence to them.
विशेष मान सम्मान लेने वाला जो देवी देवता है या भगवान है वो ही हो सकता है जो आए मैदान में और रति.
Deities or God who take special honor and reverence can be only those who come in the field. And Rati.
शरीर के द्वारा कर्मेंद्रियों के द्वारा जो भी कर्म करे उन कर्मों से आनंद ही मिले.
Whatever actions they perform through the body, through the karmendriya, those actions should give only joy.
दुख किसी प्रकार का फील न हो, न अपने को न दूसरों को. उसकी आरती उतारी जाती है भक्ति में.
Neither should they nor should others feel any kind of sorrow. Their aarti is performed in the path of bhakti.
ऐसा योगी हमको बनना है.
We should become so worthy.
बने नहीं है.
We haven't become that yet.
उसमें पैसा क्यों डालते हैं बाबा?
इसलिए डालते हैं दक्षिणा.
Student, why do people offer money in it, Baba? Baba, they offer it as dakshina, meaning donation or fee offered to a Brahmin for performance of the sacrifice or other religious services.
जो इस योग्य बना होगा उसको बिना मांगे मिलेगा या इस योग्य बना ही नहीं होगा उसको बिना मांगे मिलेगा.
The one who has become so worthy, will he get everything without asking, or will the person who hasn't become worthy of it at all get everything without asking?
किसको मिलेगा?
Who will get it?
जो ऐसी आरती योग के प्रैक्टिकल जीवन में बना होगा उसको किसी से मांगने की दरकार नहीं पड़ेगी.
The one who has become worthy of such aarti in his life in practice, he needn't beg from anyone.
स्वतः ही धन संपत्ति सारा गिरता रहेगा. वो है स्थूल धन.
All the wealth and property will be automatically bestowed on him. That is physical wealth,
जो स्थूल आरती में डालते हैं
which they offer in the physical aarti.
और यहाँ ज्ञान टपकता रहता है बुद्धि में.
And here, the knowledge keeps dripping in their intellect.
क्या?
What?
जो जितना ही पवित्र जीवन धारण करेगा उतना ही ज्ञान बुद्धि में स्वतः ही टपकता रहेगा.
The purer the life someone leads, the more the knowledge will automatically keep dripping in his intellect.
बाप से मांगने की दरकार नहीं पड़ेगी.
He doesn't need to beg from the Father.